Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and because of the pandemic, I really miss going to potlucks. Now, I don't miss hosting potlucks because I got really tired of some of our lazier acquaintance friends just offering to bring chips and dip. No, you have to cook something. So I wanted to look through the third Thursday Community Potluck Cookbook, just for the fun of it, 100 Seasonal Southern Recipes by Nancy Vienneau. Came out in 2014. Let's see who the publisher was. Ooh, pretty nice photos for a 2014 book. And the publisher is Nelson Books. And this is in great condition for a library book. It feels like no one has checked it out, or they've been very, very careful. It feels like I'm going to need glasses, and they're not on my head. Okay, should have had these ready before I started. Oh well. Chapters: June, First Solstice. July, The Big Tomato. August, For the Love of Figs. September, Burger Power. October, Growing Roots. November, Autumn Bounty. December, Gifts and Tips. January, Staying Warm. Ain't that the truth? February, Good Fortunes. March, Going Green. April, Pasta Party. That's my birthday month. May, Berry Happy Birthdays. June, The Big Garden Gathering. This sounds fun. Introduction, a potluck like no other. Welcome to Third Thursday. What good things might we find spread out on the harvest table this time? La la la, we've dipped our desserts. It's a potluck like no other. Okay. Talking about how this all got started. Here's the first chapter, June, First Solstice. Okay, what kind of recipes do we have? Garden margarita, starting off with the most important thing. Cooling cantaloupe soup. Plum good roast chicken. Layered orange fennel salad with orange vinaigrette, but no photo. Oven poached side of salmon with yogurt dill sauce, no photo. Smoked Gouda and spring pea risotto. Okay, we're going to skip ahead to some photos. Ooh, for example, fresh dill feta quick bread. And I guess I don't need my glasses because the font is big. Yay! July, The Big Tomato. So as you can see, this is a thick book, so I get why they couldn't have pictures for every possible recipe. But this is a gorgeous photo of cornbread panzanella with real ranch dressing. And lately I'm loving panzanella, which surprises me because it's kind of gooey. Tomato and goat cheese tart with olive oil crust, but no picture. Zesty gazpacho with shrimp. Given the choice of photographing a bunch of tomatoes in the glass with the shrimp or showing a picture of tomato and goat cheese tart, I would have gone for the tart, but that's okay. The photography is lovely when it's there. Fresh 3-bean salad with chunky herbed vinaigrette. My mom often brought 3-bean salads to potlucks, probably because you could open cans, put stuff in and stir and leave. She was busy too. Cast iron heirloom tomato and rice bake. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this book is surprising me. I didn't expect the photos to be this good. Blueberry peach coffee cake. Yum. Bourbon pecan bars. I say pecan. Do you say pecan? They're both correct, so don't correct me. Thank you. August, For the Love of Figs. Slow roasted Romas. Let's get figgy cocktail. Roasted fig prosciutto and gorgonzola pizza. Yes, please. Can I have 2 helpings? Black pepper buttermilk corn cakes, and they're gluten-free. Roasted summer vegetable tart. Yum. I can't show you every picture, so I gotta go skip ahead. How about a brown butter honey cake? Doesn't get more southern than that. September, Burger Power. Okay, we don't want to look at too many burgers, right? Oh, deviled eggs. Okay, here's it's not all burgers. Deep dish lemon, tomato, and lemon basil pie. Yum. I would eat the heck out of that. Cherry berry magic cobbler. Very nice for summer. Diane Stopford's autumnal cocktail. Looks delicious. Now I'm getting thirsty. Jesse's German pretzels with spicy Old World mustard. Pecan crusted glazed baked ham with apricot mustard. Okay, let's get to the next month, which I think I'm bacon wrapped pear stuffed dates. I think I'm in a new chapter now. 4 lettuce salad with pears, water chestnuts, and pumpkin seeds with brown sugar vinaigrette. Woo! Not your 70s green bean casserole. Pumpkin pie ice cream. Did we get into October? I guess so. Apple crisp. Yum. These photos are excellent. December gifts and tips. Okay. Ooh. Wendy's Friendship Sweet Rolls. That would be nice to bring to a potluck, like a morning brunch potluck. January, staying warm. I guess Christmas is over. That wasn't a very Christmassy Christmas chapter. Well, it was holidays. Okay. Warm green hill cheese with apricot cranberry chutney. So we're in January. Winter White's baby Yukon potatoes. Hakuri turnips, cauliflower, and onion. I've never heard of that kind of turnips. Is it a southern thing? Here's a flourless chocolate cayenne cake. I like my cakes to have flour in them. Now we're in February, Good Fortunes, and we're making Italian-American fortune cookies. Chinese Italian-American. Silky butternut squash bisque. I would have made that back in October, November, but maybe that's just me. Kara cashew chicken. Jewel jasmine rice. There's some Asian influence this month. Moroccan vegetable tagine with saffron couscous. Garam masala kitchen cookies. Whoa. Okay, going green. Now we're in March. Ooh. Bacon leek tart and puff pastry. Doesn't that look good to... Ooh. Here's Luck o' the Irish cupcake. Oh, ganache-filled cupcakes. I thought they were going to have Guinness in them. I don't know. April, pasta party. Okay, birth month. Ooh, spinach. Real Roman fettuccine Alfredo. I would eat that. A beautiful Victoria sponge cake filled with strawberries, of course. Whenever I hear about Victoria sponge cakes, I'm thinking of the Great British Baking Show. May, berry happy birthdays. And how about euphoric raspberry mojitos? Dang, I'm thirsty now. A beautiful farro with vegetable and toasted sesame sweet garlic dressing, and it's vegan. And the big garden gathering is June, and we're at the end of the book. Here's watermelon margarita wedges. I did that this summer. Delicious. Almost got a little smashed. Cuban grilled corn. And we're just about at the end of the book. Cherry and peach clafouti. Beautiful. This was way better than I expected it to be. I'm going to turn off the camera and go read the introduction and just see what's going on. That was amazing. Third Thursday Community Potluck Cookbook by Nancy Vienneau. I'm also going to go see what other cookbooks she's written. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews on the cookbookdivas.com website, our cookbook news blog. We have a podcast, and you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And if we post a video or something that you like, please click like and comment and say something nice so the algorithms will show you more of our posts. Bye.